Ever wondered how some TikTok edits look so sharp and clean? So in today's tutorial, I will show you how you can turn your boring clips into a stunning 4K quality just like the TikTok edits you have seen. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Turn off all your zooms and shake layers and go to export and add to render queue. Click on lossless and click on format and select QuickTime. Now click on format option and now select Apple ProRes 422 HQ and click OK. And now click on render. Open Topaz and import your clips and copy my settings. You can see the quality difference, the details look sharp and crisp and the noise is completely gone. And now copy my export setting also. Select Nvidia if you have a RTX card or use AMD if you have a Radeon card. Go back to After Effects and import your Topaz clip and change the scale to 50. Move all your zoom layer above the Topaz layer and create an adjustment layer. And use my giveaway CC which I have given in the description. You can see how edits can look like 4K with a good CC and Topaz. With my Topaz setting and giveaway CC, your edits will look 4K also. So thank you for watching and please comment down your thoughts, and if you want more tutorial like this in the comment section. Your opinion and comment helps me a lot guys, and like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.